everyone, Jim Wright from Toro here. Today we're going to describe the installation of the Razor kit for the Toro INFINITY Series golf sprinklers. When the system is first installed, the sprinklers are set flush and level to grade. Over time, with top dressing, vehicle traffic, and natural settling, leaves the sprinkler in a recessed area below grade. This condition detracts from the natural beauty of the course, affects the roll of the ball, and presents a potential trip hazard. There are several ways to improve this condition, but the most common involves a shovel and is labor-intensive. The soil around the sprinkler and on top of the swing joint lay arm must be removed to effectively raise the sprinkler. Each of the INFINITY Razor kits include 5 lifters, 5 pilot valve stackers, 15 screws, 3 for each lifter, 1 riser hold-up tool, and installation instructions. There are 3 stages that can be installed, each adding 1/2 inch to the height of the sprinkler. Stage 1 comes with 1.5" screws and installs first. Stage 2 has 2" screws and installs on top of Stage 1. And finally, Stage 3 with 2.5" screws installs on top of Stages 1 and 2. The models identify both the body size and the stage that would be included with that kit. For example, Razor-10 is for the 1" bodies, Razor-15 is for the 1.5" bodies. Razor-10-1 would identify Stage 1 for the 1" bodies, and so on. Lay a straight edge across the top of the sprinkler to determine the number of kits needed. We'll start by removing the 3 cover screws. A battery-operated drill motor comes in real handy for this. Next, lift up the riser and install the hold-up tool into the position that allows cap removal, and remove cap. Now, remove the longer screws from the lifter and replace them with the shorter screws previously removed. Remove the pilot valve stacker and install it onto the pilot valve selector. Now position the lifter onto the compartment. Put the cover in place and install the 3 longer screws that were included with the stage being installed. Reinstall the cap and screw, then remove the hold-up tool and you're ready to go. The INFINITY sprinkler with the Razor kit is now flush and level to grade. Well, I hope you found this information to be helpful. If you do have any questions, please contact your Toro representative or check on toro.com for further information. Thanks for watching.